Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deszren. Don't mind me putting lotion on my hands because these hands was ashy, y'all. It's getting to be that time of the year. Y'all, please stay moisturized out here. I didn't even do my proper intro. My name is Deszren. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. Don't mind my little friend on my forehead today, but you know, we still gonna get things done. A lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of y'all have been asking about these shells that I have in my hair. I am here to show you guys where I get the shells from, where I get the little ringlets from. These are things that you can probably find online, and I'll try to find a good example of that and put it in the description box for you guys if you guys can't find it at any store that is local to you. My hair jewelry, I get it from a local beauty supply store, so it's not something that you would find necessarily in your area. I've never even heard of another store called Beauty Beat. I still want to show you guys where I get it and how I put little pieces together and how I install them in my hair, because that's something that a lot of you guys have been asking me. Even on Instagram, a lot of people compliment the shells. Like everywhere I go, they compliment the shells, people compliment them. So I want to share with you guys the tea on that. So I'm gonna bring you guys into the store with me and show you the different hair jewelry that they have. It is a super tiny store, so I'm hoping that there's not a lot of people in there because Corona, first of all, and second of all, it's when I show you guys the store, you're gonna be like, wow, that's like a closet. But listen, they got the goods. They got the goods. So I was super disappointed when I came to this store because the only thing that they had remotely close to what I was looking for were the gold and silver shells that already come with the rings on them. I was really looking for the regular cowrie shells. I hope I'm saying that right. Cowrie? Yeah. The cowrie shells with the separate rings, because that's originally what I did. But as you can see, the section was super tiny. I even tried looking around the rest of the store to see if I could find anything else, but it was an epic fail, y'all. I was so sad. But I did end up picking up one pack of each of the silver and gold shells just to have some more of them, but I could not find what I was originally looking for in this store. A lot of you guys also ask me where I find the clips that I retwist my hair with. You can get them at this store or any other beauty supply store that is local to you. I even went to another beauty supply store downtown, and they had a much bigger section still, but they did not have exactly what I was looking for. They did have the cowrie shells in the pack that I got before, but they didn't have the tiny rings that I was really searching for, which was very disappointing because I'm pretty sure I saw them at this store specifically as well, and they did not even have anything close to what I was looking for. I really just wanted the single rings in a pack, a small little pack, that's all. But they had all this other jewelry, but not what your girl was looking for. I was so disappointed. I even sucked it up and went to Sally's, and Sally's was wiped out as well. But it's super easy. These colored ones normally already have a ring on them. You can see in this packaging as well, they already have rings on them. So that's already good to go. Normally these shells don't come with them, mainly because depending on your hairstyle and what you can do, you can actually thread your hair through the hole and secure it with a rubber band or any other way you see fit, and then you could just have the shell hanging off the end of your hair that way. But that is not what I do with these shells. That's why they come like that. So you can do different things with them. Personally, I like to use the rings on them. So what you're gonna do is, it's really easy. You just move it to the side. That's all I did. We just moved it like that. And then I'm gonna hook this on here. The ones that are brand new, they're gonna be much more easier to secure compared to ones that have been used. Then you're gonna open it back up put it right through the hole and then close that bad boy up. So for these shells specifically, that is what I did to put them in my hair, or to get them ready to put in my hair. Super easy. As you can see, it's a small ring and then a bigger ring. Really quick, before I get into showing you guys how I install them in my hair, another way you can secure these is to have it overlap. If you have ones that are more used and it's hard to get them really close together like that, what I like to do, and it is harder to do it when it's in your hair, especially if you have like chubby fingers, but just try your best to get it as close together this way as possible. You guys can see that it's overlapping each other, and then you're gonna squeeze it. I always have to use 2 hands, don't judge me. You can have it like this. The only issue with this is that sometimes it will still come off. It will find a way to come off, trust me, because I've done this to my pieces many times, and those will be the ones that are the first to fall off, which is why I didn't show you guys this way the first way. If your locks aren't mature yet or anywhere close to it, they already are gonna fall out of your hair much easier. When your hair is more dense, it holds it much better, but when it's less dense and it's not fully mature yet or fully locked yet, it's just much easier for it to slip out of your hair. It happens to me all the time. That's another reason why I don't put them all the way at the ends of my hair. You want to put it towards the thickest part of your lock. So this is the shell that I just did with the 2 rings. So I'm just gonna open it up about that much. There's a back and a front to the shells. If you really care, you can put it towards the front. The front is the side that has the ridges on it, compared to the back that is just open like that. Once you have it, whichever way you want it to be, so this would be the front, you're gonna take the lock. I like to kind of feel where my hair is locked, where it's not going anywhere, it's more dense. Like, I wouldn't put it all the way at the bottom for obvious reasons. Look at that. So I know it's gonna hold in this area right here. I can feel it. So you're gonna take it, loop it through. As you can see, it's looped through. And then you wanna try to bend it close together as you can. It's nice that it's right in the front because I can see it, but it's a little tiny space, but it should still hold, hopefully. All right, so I'll show you another one with this one. Another reason why I like to use these shells is because you see that it likes to stick out and do whatever it wants. So not that that's a bad thing, but it can get pretty annoying if you're not into that kind of thing. So I'm gonna show you one of the ones that already comes pre-looped. You can see the ridge is much better on this one. That's the front, and that's the back. So we're gonna try to pull it apart, bend it a little bit. And loop this bad boy through. This one I have to put higher up. And there you have it. That's it. It's really simple. It can hurt your fingertips if you're doing all of your hair, so be careful about that. But other than that, I love these shells. You guys love these shells. You guys have been asking me questions about it for a while now, so I figured, why not make this video? There's something in my eye, a priority, to get this out there for you guys so you guys can get the information that you need. So I really am upset that I couldn't find what I was looking for at the store, but like I said, I will include anything as a substitute or anything that I find online for you guys in the description box below. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.